It's all about innovation and what's new. How are you going to get that extra pickup, that lift? I think Obi's doing a great job with providing that to its clients.
So our innovation is going to focus on the most important aspects of your job, like getting answers quickly and getting rid of all of these reports that you've typically had to deal with in your jobs.
First, we'll be introducing our premier executive AI assistant, Ask Obi, which will dramatically enhance the way you use and interact with your Optimal Blue data to drive ROI.
Some of the new products that we saw this morning were really exciting. I think it's really going to help our sales team find the best possible products for their clients.
And I'm excited to share with you a brand new innovation called Originator Assistant.
The new product innovations are really exciting. I can't wait to get back to the team and share with everybody what's going on.
Rules Optimizer is the most significant enhancement to product guideline support to date.
I just love that Optimal Blue is never stopping, finding better solutions for the industry.
We're not just delivering software, we're delivering solutions that empower you to make smarter decisions, operate with more efficiency, and stay ahead of the curve.